When we keep a balloon on fire, it bursts out. So, can we make a balloon fireproof or resistant to fire? Yes, we can, and this is the fireproof balloon. We have done nothing to this balloon, but just filled it with water instead of air. Let's see the explanation part. So, why does the balloon do not burn? The reason is very simple. The balloon do not burn because the heat from the surface of the balloon is absorbed by the water inside it, and thus it prevents the balloon from burning. Let's see a real world example. The burning temperature of LPG is about 2000 degrees Celsius, and the melting points of most of the metals are less than 1500 degrees Celsius. So, when we cook food in cookware, the same principle prevents it from burning or melting. In this case, food present in it prevents it from melting.